My name is Jorge Nieto. I work at Galpin Ford in North Hills, California, and I'm a quick service technician. The daily duties as a quick service technician is basically trying to diagnose any sort of electrical issues, any sort of noise and vibration concern, and then fixing that type of concern afterwards. So from high school, essentially, I always had an idea just because, I mean, overall in my life, I had an idea that I was going to be some sort of hands-on type of person. And I just basically like working on vehicles essentially because I've had an easier time and I just kind of overall enjoy that experience better. So after I graduated base UTI program, I transferred over to the Ford FACT program, and my experience at the UTI Ford FACT program is overall a good one just because, again, I already had a base knowledge of everything, but the Ford FACT kind of helped exceed that even more. So what I left with from the Ford FACT program was basically my chassis master and a 70% of electrical, engine, and transmission certifications. The advantage from that is basically, since they put me here, I basically have a head start essentially. So I don't have to spend too much time trying to figure out the basic knowledge of what the Ford vehicle is. What I would say is basically just keep tinkering with random things. That's kind of how I kind of fell into the whole automotive thing, which is I just found random things around my house and started tinkering with them. Overall, my goal right now at this point in my life is basically try to be a master technician in Ford, and then overall after that, I reach that point, become a senior master technician. I would say not to be too afraid just because the base program in UTI really just helps you, because even if you don't know anything about vehicles or even have a super basic knowledge of vehicles, at least at UTI, they give you a super basic rundown. So if you know nothing about it, at least they'll start you from the very bottom, work your way up, and then essentially continue with your path in the automotive industry.